Here we are! Lalalu, the girls dream of becoming mermaids. Let's make their dream come true.
Wow, she swims like a mermaid.
Wow, there's so much cool guys here. Crab!
What's this?
Hi, Lola. Underwater, you don't run, you swim. Let me show you. Like this.
Huh? Was that Lou? Wow, what's that? Lalalu, look! I found materials for us.
Oh.
Let's make a tail from this.
Great idea. And done. We have a base. Now let's shape it. Pour hot water into a cup. Yep, a little more. Now add a thermoplastic. The capsules should soften soon. Thanks, little fish. You can swim away. Wow, it's so stretchy. Let's add Lali's favorite pink glitter. Spread it evenly. Wow. And shape it before it hardens. Use a tool to form the tail. A shiny fin. There's never too much glitter.
So pretty, thank you.
Yeah!
Hey Lou, look, I'm a real mermaid.
Wow, impressive.
Lalalu, let's show my little secret. Ready? Ta-da!
And now a trick. Voila, the tail turns into lip gloss. Lola, pucker your lips. A little glitter right here. And for me, oops, ran out. I'll grab a bit more. Yep, there we go, gorgeous. Do mine. I want it too. Let's do it. Don't move. A little here and here. Cool, thanks.
It suits you, sister.
I want a tail too. Tell me if you liked this craft. But what from? Oh, my makeup bag. Thanks, Mr. Krabs. Opening. Let's see what's inside. Wow, so much stuff. A bear.
Not today.
Ooh, what a cute seahorse. Lalalu, look. Want to play with it? It's so cute. Where are you going? Wait. I'll catch you. I'll look for something suitable meanwhile. Oh, this brush. Remove the bristles with scissors. Color green for Lulu's eyes. Repaint. Great. Lulu, ready? Voila. Decorate with shiny ribbon. Wrap it. Just a sec. Done. Cut it. Yep. A cute star in the center. The top is ready. Time for the tail. Cover with clear polish. Add glitter. Yellow half beads along the edge. Hey, don't run. Dry it with a flashlight. Looks amazing. Now let's draw a little. Lie down, Lulu. I'll trace you. Done.
Show me what you got. Is that me? Lalalu.
Relax, we have an eraser. Voila. Wipe it clean. And done.
Hey, put the tail back.
Thanks.
I'll draw better myself. I know you.
Like this. Oh no, need to fix. Okay, there, my portrait.
Oh, where? Show me.
I'm a real artist.
You look like a fish.
What? I'll catch you now.
I'm faster. You won't catch me. I'm far already.
Phew,
I think I lost her.
I see you.
Oops. Swim away.
Where is she?
Where do I hide? Got it. A shell. She won't find me.
Hey, here I am. Missed me? I wish Lalalu made a new look for me, too. Lalalu, can I have a tail, too? Oh, better, too. 2 tails? You're funny. Let's try. Here are little fins. Let's swim. Oh, I'm stuck. Help! I'm here. Oh, Lali, I knew it wasn't the best idea. You need 1 real tail. I'll fix it. Look at this tape. Unroll. But it's transparent. Yes, that's the point. Wrap the doll's legs. Cut excess. Now the top. Remove the protective layer. And now something special. Can you help? Of course, I know what to do. Here, take a shell. Looks beautiful. So much glitter. Woohoo! Load the brush. Shake off excess. Apply to tape. Fill the whole surface. A bit more. Voila! Decorate the belt. A cute heart on the top. Side fins. Blue glitter on top. Amazing! I love it! Now we need a fin. Add glitter to nano tape. Make a pocket for pearls. Fill it with blue liquid. Wow, a stress toy! I love these.
Hey, Lalalu! Wait, what?
Huh?
I thought you were making a fin!
That is the fin. Look! Oh! Attached to the sides. A soft tail. Add a heart. Half-bead ribbon. Right here. Some decor on the top.
Wow, a butterfly underwater?
Oh, perfect! Let's make wings for Lali.
Cool!
A gorgeous tiara.
Wow, so cool!
Lali is a true underwater princess. We made such a cool stress relief tail. The look is super cute and stylish. Now my doll can explore the ocean. Being a mermaid suits her. What about Lou?
Hey, sister. Bored?
Nope.
It's about to get fun! Time to swim!
Hey, what did you do?
Don't be mad. You need to cool off.
Hey! I'll get you now.
Try to catch me. I'm here now.
Bye! I can't swim that fast. My legs are tired. To swim fast, you need a tail. To the workshop. Welcome. Let's pick materials. Choose what you like. Wow, so much stuff. Not this. Pretty, but no. What about this? Looks nice. Take it?
What?
No, next.
Ooh, I want this.
Decided? Great. Roll the fabric. Place the doll. Trace the legs. Done. So, did it work? Yes, cut it out. 2 halves. Sew them. Pull the thread. Turn inside out. Done. Try it on. Oh, it won't fit. Oh, that last burger. Let me help. Done. New top. Wow, shiny. Now the fin. Use glue sticks. Insert into the gun. Draw the outline. There's still time to give it a like. Fill inside. More. Add side fins. Texture lines. More. Add pearl powder. Amazing shine. Glue. Green glitter. Voila! Tail done. Flexible. Attach fins. Decorate belt. Something's missing. Green shells. Done.
Oh my goodness. Let's go.
Woohoo! Lalalu, you made my perfect look.
Lou, now you're a mermaid too.
Oh, wow, what a look. Now we can swim together. Catch me. These are the amazing mermaid looks I made today. Which sister did you like most?
You can like it too.
Yep, and now we keep going. Time to get to work. Where do we start? With a brand new look.
Wow.
I've got a checklist for Mermaid Lali. Hair, top, tail, and accessories.
Wow, that's a lot to do.
Whoa.
Don't worry, it'll be great. Just close your eyes. Lali, you're not peeking, right? Hey, I said no peeking.
Okay. I'm not looking now.
Let's make you look amazing real quick. All right, styling the hair.
Can I look now?
Amazing.
Wow, that's such a fancy style. It turned out amazing. I love it.
Woohoo.
Perfect, first step done. Now a top for a real mermaid. Here's the fabric. Stitching it by hand and adding gathers. Right in the center. Decorating with shells. A little scale detail on the arms, and we can check it off. Yep, marking it done. Next, the most important part, the tail. We already made one today, remember? Placing the doll on the fabric and tracing it. Who's ticklish here?
Stop!
All right, enough playing. Time to cut. Just like this. Carefully. Done. Now we sew the halves together. I'll do it by hand. No need for the machine. Voila! Time to try it on. The tail fits perfectly, just like I planned.
What about the scales?
Oh, I forgot those. 1 second, I've got something. Hold on. Perfect mesh. Wrapping the tail.
Gorgeous.
Decorating the belt with trim.
Oh, Lalalu, how do I swim without a fin?
Let's make one from felt. Placing the template and tracing it. Now the second piece. Yep. Great, just need to cut it out. Attaching it to the tail tip.
Something's missing.
Let's add some fins on top. Perfect, but that's not all. I've got some shiny organza. Cutting a piece and gathering it. Yep, like this. Adding glue to the edge and attaching it on the side. Decorating with shells. We can add a few more. Looks stunning.
Can I check off the third item?
Of course, go ahead.
Tail done. We did it!
Woohoo! Only accessories left. Pop! Necklace on. Adding a shell. Aw, Lali looks adorable.
Thank you.
That's it. Checklist complete. Marking the last box. Oh no, we're running out of time.
Right, I have to get to the beach. Let's swim.
Hold on. That won't work.
Why not?
You can't go like that with your tail.
So what do I do?
We need to dry it. My hairdryer will handle it.
Done. Awesome. All right, I'm off to relax. Sand, waves, finally.
Lie down and relax.
Whoa. Sun loungers, total chill. Oh, Lalalu, the sun is so bright here.
Here are your sunglasses. Let me help you put them on.
Nice, that's much better. You always need SPF in the sun.
Applying sunscreen to Lali's face.
So comfy. This is so relaxing. Look, a ball.
Wanna play?
Yes. Go get it.
Over here! Here comes a super shot. Get ready. And boom! That really was a super shot. Oh no, the ball flew straight into the sea.
Oh no. How can we get it back? Huh? Oh, what's that noise? Guys, what happened? Our ball flew into the sea. I'll try to help.
Their mood instantly lifted.
That's better, right? I'll grab the ball now. Watch this.
Lali swims like a real fish.
I can see it already. You won't even blink. Go, Lali, go! Got it, did you see? Catch it and don't lose it again. Thank you. Happy to help.